Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Google Analytics to Webflow. This process is straightforward and will enable you to track crucial website data. By following a few simple steps, you can seamlessly integrate these powerful platforms. This connection helps you understand user behavior, monitor traffic, and make informed decisions to enhance your site's effectiveness. Let's get started and unlock the full potential of your Webflow project with robust analytics. First, you'll need your Google Analytics 4 measurement ID. Log into your Google Analytics account and head to the admin panel. From there, select your specific property. Look for data streams within the Data Collection and Modification section. Click on your web data stream and you will find your measurement ID, typically starting with the letter G followed by several characters. Copy this ID carefully, as it is essential for the next step. Now, let's add this ID to your Webflow project. Open your Webflow dashboard and navigate to your site's settings. Within the settings, find and click on the Integrations tab. You'll see a dedicated section for Google Analytics. Paste the measurement ID you just copied into the provided field. After pasting, remember to save your changes and then publish your Webflow site to make the integration live. This action deploys the tracking code across your entire website. The final crucial step is to verify that your connection is working. Open your live Webflow website in a new browser tab. Then, return to your Google Analytics account and navigate to the real-time reports. You should see active users on your site, including your own visit, within the last 30 minutes. If you observe this activity, your Google Analytics is successfully connected and collecting valuable data. This confirms your setup is complete and accurate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.